Hey subbies, I'm here to share with you some wonderful tips when it comes to being safe on social media. But before we get into this video, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on any of my amazing, fun, wonderful uploads that I have to share with each and every one of you. I upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I don't want you to miss them. Let's get into these helpful tips. The first tip is, if you're going to be receiving mail, is to use a P.O. box. They are a lot safer than using your own home address. I also would avoid using your real name if possible, just to make it a lot safer so you don't have anybody searching you on your personal Facebook pages or personal social media sites. And just don't give out any personal information for the city that you live in, the area where you live, or even things that are around you or the streets that they're on. Not a good idea. If someone wants to contact you, I'd recommend using the DMs on your social media. For example, the Twitter DMs or the Instagram DMs are so much safer than giving out a phone number. And I'd also recommend that if you are a YouTuber, to create a Twitter and an Instagram account for your social media following, to make it easier for them to contact you and to not contact you on your personal pages, which is a wonderful tip to have. Let me know in the comments down below what tips you have for staying safe on social media. I'd love to know. I hope these tips help you out on your social media and YouTube journey, as they've helped me significantly. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and click the notification bell to turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on any of my amazing, fun, wonderful videos that I have to share with each and every one of you. I upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And be sure you're following me on my Instagram. My Instagram is Comedy Creation. I love to share beautiful breakfasts, lovely lunches, and delicious dinners, as well as thrift store hauls and library hauls, and best of all, book reviews. I don't want you to miss them, as well as follow me on my Twitter. My Twitter is Comedy Addict. I love to play hashtag games, and I love being able to share my fun and witty hashtag topics with each and every one of you, because it is a blast. Thank you so much for watching. I can't wait to see you in the next video, subbies. Until then, sensational smiles go for miles. Be sure to subscribe and stay a while. See you in my next video. Bye, subbies.